Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome to this video and good morning to all of you. So dear brothers and sisters, I hope you all are doing good. Actually today I'm sick, but alhamdulillah I'm good. You can see right now I'm talking and walking, so I'm good today, alhamdulillah. So dear brothers and sisters, you can see right now I'm here. You can see on the way, you can see you know the road, the village, but actually dear brothers and sisters, I am here with this beautiful nature. You can see plants are all around to me. You can see many plants are all around to me. You can see actually even you can't imagine how beautiful the nature is here. Actually I'll not make you to understand only just by saying how beautiful the nature is here. So dear brothers and sisters, of course there is must be different watching in phone or practically attached with reality. Of course there is must be different. So dear brothers and sisters, if I am able to show you something, so I have to use the back camera for better capture. I have to rotate the camera. So dear brothers and sisters, stay with me. So dear brothers and sisters, you can see in front of me, you can see there is a small pond. You can see water level is very low. Dear brothers and sisters, you know the reason of summer season. So dear brothers and sisters, now I'm going to field. Actually in our village almost every family has their own pond, big or small. You can see in front of me there is someone cooking, there is someone boiling their paddy. After boiling it will have to dry and then it will make for it. So dear brothers and sisters, now I'm going through the forest. You can see trees are available here. You can see, and also you can see to my right side, you can see in front of me these are bamboo trees. Dear brothers and sisters, this is very available and very common in our village, bamboo trees. I know every person love and like the village because here you can also get free pure oxygen, pure vegetables. So I know maybe this is the one of reason for people love and like the village. You can see in front of me there is a road, and on the other side of the road you can see there is a small forest. So dear brothers and sisters, totally our village is very good naturally. So dear brothers and sisters, right now I'm on the way. You can see on the road, and on the other side you can see there is a small forest. There is no any kind of fruit tree, many kind of trees, but there is no any kind of fruit tree. And finally I'm on the road. Here you can go to market or main road, and other side you can also more enter in the village. So dear brothers and sisters, this is the house. You can see this is our field. Dear brothers and sisters, you can see these are a straw. You can see this is the time, this is the time of cutting paddy. So these are a straw. In front of me you can see there is a big pond. The ponds are very available in our village. You can see this is a big pond, and beside the pond you can see many blank places. You can see actually these are actually farming land actually. So dear brothers and sisters, this are field. You can see, and you can see to my right side there is a small pond. So dear brothers and sisters, this is our field. Many boys and girls, they play here football, cricket, many kinds of game they play here. So these are village, you can see. So dear brothers and sisters, you can also see sun rising. So dear brothers and sisters, this is our village. This is a small part of our village. So I hope you all like it, and good morning to all of you, and thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.